Hello class, this is a video tutorial on reading coordinates on a Cartesian plane. A Cartesian plane is a coordinate system where points are placed. All coordinates or points are read as A and some two numbers with a bracket and a comma in between. It should look like this. In a moment it'll make more sense what we mean about this. But anyway, here we go. The first letter is the letter name of the point, should always be in capital, so it can be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way through till Z. And X and Y represent two different numbers that may change depending on where they are. So the first one is the X-axis coordinates, and the next value is the Y value coordinate, and you'll see what we mean about this in a moment. So let's just get straight into some examples. Here I have a whole heap of coordinates, and what we're tasked to do is find the coordinates of all the points. We're gonna go on alphabetical order. Let's begin with the letter A. So it's going to be A, bracket. So because the x-axis is along this way, don't mind the ink, since the x-axis is the horizontal axis, what is the y value, x value at this point? So if we just draw a line going down to where it is, you can see that the A has a 1 for its x value. So we're going to put 1 here. And what is the y value? So what is the y value of the A here? Well, if you just draw a line going like this, you can see that A has 1 for the x and a 1 for the y. So A has the coordinates 1, 1. Let's take a look at the next point, the letter B. Here it is. Letter B, so let's begin it. So it's going to be B, like so. B, what is the x-axis coordinate of this point? So if you just draw a line going downwards first, it has the number 2 here. So it's going to be B, 2. And the y value, you can see that it matches to the 4. So it's going to be 2, 4. At any point you can pause the video and give this a go yourself, but I'm going to keep on moving on. Here we go. Next letter is point C. So let's put letter C here. C has 7. If we move it across, 7, 2. I'm gonna keep moving on here. At one point you're gonna see me start going really fast, so you can pause the video at any time and check your answers. Here we go. Letter D has the point 5 and the y value of 7. There we are. Moving right along. Letter E is along here. Here's where it gets a little bit tricky because a lot of students tend to get their numbers mixed up. E, if we go straight down, has that number, -3. And if we move it across, E has the y value of 2. F, we should always check, remember, this one first. Let's match it to this one that has -4, and its y value of F is 6. G, it's all the way up here. G is -9, and the y value is 9. H. H here is -8. Oops, make sure you can see the negative there. H going across 3. Moving right along. Also notice that I'm making all the letters here capital. It's always good practice to do that. Letter I, here it is, has -2 for the x-axis, and its y-axis is this number here, which is -3. Letter J should always do the x-axis first, so we match it here. So J is -6, -4. All right, we're getting this done. K is -5. Whoops, what the letter? -5, -8. L is, remember, always the x-axis first. L is x-axis first, that's -8 and -7. Letter M. Letter M is here. So M, x-axis first, so this number here. So which number does this match up to? Which is 3, M, and -6. O, sorry, L, M, N, this letter O, N, N, N is 7, -5. 7, -5. O is it's x-axis first, so it's 2, -2. And lastly, P is 9, -2. That concludes the video on plotting points onto a Cartesian plane. Best of luck!